You can implement isometrics effectively in your training plan in a few ways. First, you can pause your reps under load, especially in the bottom portion of the lift. For example, with leg presses, bench presses, and dead hang pull-ups, still actively contracting your quads, actively contracting your pecs, actively contracting your lats, but at that very lengthened position can generate tons of tension isometrically and can stimulate growth and is even super safe because it lowers that rebound energy you get, and the probability of pulling a muscle is now much lower. So extra safety and a bit of good growth can be had by doing pauses, which is why for not all of my stuff, but a lot of my stuff, I do pauses anyway. So we're already checking that box of isometrics because that's what pausing is. It's an isometric contraction. And now we know probably leads to some gains. The second thing you can do is use isometric long length contractions as finishers. I hate the term finishers, mostly because I'm a persnickety asshole, but let's say you're doing a last set of machine presses for chest and you are done doing dynamic reps. You're either as close to failure as you want to be or you actually went to failure. What you do here is you come down to the very stretched position, but about half an inch above that. So your muscles are almost at maximum stretch, but completely active because they're lifting up that bottom half inch. You stay in that position and prevent the weight from clanking all the way down into the stretch for as long as you can. Or start with an extra 5 seconds. And then next week do an extra 10. And then the week after that, try 15, and so on and so forth. That really timed out long length and long duration isometric contraction, right when your muscles are the most tired, it's all you can do, but it really milks that last bit of stimulus for your muscles. It's an excellent finisher that you can give a try to anytime you like. It's fun, it's challenging, it adds loads of growth when you're too tired to do dynamic reps anymore, so it's excellent for like a last set or a last set of a last exercise for a muscle group. Shit, one of the things you guys can do is do bodyweight squats at the end of heavy leg presses or hack squats or regular squats. Do the 2/3 myo-rep style, which basically you go from bottom of the squat up 2/3, bottom of the squat up 2/3 until you can't do squats anymore. And then what you do is you fix your butt just below parallel. Scott, we've done that with Tristan and a few other folks before, Mr. Tristan Lee. You get just below parallel and you sit in that position. You're not sitting all the way down. You are asked to sit at just below parallel for as long as you can. That is a gnarly, long length isometric contraction and will 100 trillion, 50 bazillion% grow you more muscle. It's fun. And it's especially fun if you're the trainer. So personal trainers who are watching this, feel free to toast your clients with this anytime you like because you get to yell at them. They get super hyped and motivated. It's a fun challenge. And the best part about being a trainer is you don't have to go through the pain. If you want to go through the pain, it's going to lead to more growth.